called to see if your back was still aligned and your sheets were growing grass all on the corners of your bed. But you got too much to wear on your sleeves. It has too much to do with me, and secretly I want to bury in the yard the grey remains of a friendship scar. You've got someone coming round, gluing tinsel to your crown. He's got you talking pretty loud. Remember, you're ailing hard in your criminal lies. You say you're still in love. If it's true, what can be done? It's hard to leave all these moments behind. You tested your mettle of doe skin and petals, of kissing the lipless, will bleed off the sweet